Welcome or welcome back. It is now time to deep clean this house. Clean every room, dust, blinds, vacuum, mop, all the things, because we have pictures in 4 days. Let's start with the master bathroom. From 2006 and my teas are however you need her. I used to shine by like gold. Turn me so late night, but years I wish that I'd never leave. No time for bone white. Okay, the master bathroom is finished, and the only thing that I have left to do in here is just put the rugs back into place, because I did take the rugs out of the master bathroom so that I could wash them. I love when everything is spick and span clean, and the goal is to get everything spick and span clean. I'm going to film all of my before and after videos and start pumping those out to you hopefully within the next month or so. Each room is going to be a different, or each video is going to be a different room, so those will probably go on for quite a while, because this is a 5-bedroom with an office, 4-bathroom house, so it's a pretty big house. All right, so there you have it. It is clean. I love it when it's clean and it smells nice. It smells like pine sol. Now I am starting on the master bedroom. The only thing I really need to do in here is I do need to dust the blinds. They're pretty dusty. I need to dust the furniture. It's pretty dusty as well. And I need to vacuum. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, I'm also washing the sheets and everything. So I have to get all that washed and get the bed put back together. Turn on my tunes. I know y'all like my socks. My toes were cold, so I put my Fox socks on. Same old face. Time casts a spell on you, but you won't. Blue-green colors flashing. Gold, I fell into the spell. I realize that a lot of this footage might be boring to some people, but clean talk is a thing. I mean, some people like to watch people clean. I don't know. Also, this stuff, you can buy it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you've never used it before. You're missing out. Works excellent on porcelain sinks. If you have a porcelain sink. It's the next day. I put the exact same clothes on that I had on yesterday, because all I did yesterday was clean. All I'm going to be doing today is clean. So there's no sense in dirtying up more cleaning clothes just to clean. I did the master bathroom, the master bedroom, and the kitchen yesterday. I'm continuing. I'm almost finished with the living room, the dining room, the hallway. I'm going to do the man cave, the front bedroom, the laundry room, and the bathroom. and then I'll probably do the upstairs tomorrow. Dave is cleaning the grill. Out there cleaning the grill. As you can see, we did use the smoker. The Saturday after Christmas, we smoked a turkey and had Mark and Jen over. So he is cleaning the grill. Kitchen is done. I've been dyeing book pages for some crafts with some coffee. I'm just gonna take that outside and try to get that finished today because it's been taking forever. But what I'm doing right now is just taking my Tenco vacuum cleaner. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This vacuum cleaner, this is perfect for hardwood floors, luxury vinyl plank, laminate flooring, because it's not so hard, I guess is the correct word. As far as a brush goes, it gets up all of the dust, all of the debris. And I usually go over the floor with this first before I mop. And then I have a more heavy duty vacuum cleaner that I use on the carpets. Now, I think I've showed you guys this vacuum cleaner before. I'm not sure, but it was pretty cheap. It was only like 70 bucks on Amazon. And this thing has so much suction. It is actually difficult to vacuum carpet. We've got all day today, all day tomorrow, and then I have Monday to do last minute things that need to be done before pictures on Tuesday. Oh yeah, that thing gives you an arm workout. Okay, so what my plan of attack is, what I wanted to do is get everything cleaned and do the mopping last, because I have a large area that I have to cover for mopping. I have the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, the bar area, the hallway, this bathroom, the laundry room. So I went ahead and took, let me flip the camera around. I went ahead and took the rug out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sink, clean the mirror, clean the tub, the toilet, do all the dusting, all that good stuff, and then just kind of vacuum the floor to get all the dust up. The laundry room looks like this right now. Oh my gosh, let me move the tripod out of the way. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So the laundry room looks like this right now. There's lots of things that I need to wash. I currently have things going in the dryer, in the washer. I'm washing all the blankets, all of the nice comfy little cozy blankets that we use on the couch. I'm washing all of that. And this is what the front bedroom looks like. I have just kind of gathered everything in here. We had all the furniture moved so that I could paint the ceiling in here. So we put all the furniture back, but everything needs to be put back together. It needs to be dusted. The room needs to be vacuumed. I have the ladder still because I have all of this Alice in Wonderland stuff that goes up there on that shelf. That is what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna start on this bathroom. I've vacuumed all of this area, so all the dust is up out of the floor. Everything is ready to be mopped except for the laundry room and the bathroom. So let's get busy. This is the last room that I have to clean, dust, vacuum of the downstairs before I can, actually, that's not right. I'm lying. I still have to do the laundry room. I have a lot of stuff that I have to put back up on this shelf because I took it all down to paint the ceiling. This shelf right there. And everything is dusty. So I have to dust it all. Okay, everything is ready to mop. So now I'm gonna mop and then I'm done for the day. I still have a few things left to do today. I'm doing laundry, washing all of the blankets and everything. I have a lot of stuff. This is what I do. Let me show you. If I have stuff that has to go upstairs, instead of actually walking everything upstairs, this is what I do. It makes it easier. Then I can take it all up when I go up there. If you can't tell, Dave is scrubbing the windows. He's working. He's working. Now he's scrubbing the front door. I'm gonna go upstairs and call my friend Melinda. I'm done with the downstairs. There's just a few odds and ends that I'm probably gonna do later on tonight. I still have to wash in the bed sheets for this bed. They're down here. So while I wait for everything to dry and wash that's washing now until I can start, I'm gonna go call her, take a break, and I probably will not check in with you again until tomorrow because I'm gonna clean the upstairs tomorrow. It feels good knowing the whole house is clean, but it is a lot of work if you don't keep up with it, which I have not been keeping up with it. Good morning. Actually, it's way afternoon. It's 1:10. It is Sunday. We are continuing with the house. I have completely forgotten to open up the camera and film what we've done so far. So I'm going to show you what we did downstairs, what Dave is doing now, and I've started on the upstairs. Okay, now I do still have to go outside and clean that pool bath. I keep forgetting about that pool bath because we hardly ever use it. I have been coffee dyeing book pages for which you can't see that right now until I adjust the lighting back, but I have sheets out here because I have been, those are all the books. I've been coffee dyeing book pages for some craft projects. Here's all the book pages that I have dyed so far. Now I wanted to go ahead and do that now because I'm gonna have to declutter the craft room, and I'm really bad about if I start something and then I put it away where I can't see it, I never finish it. So I wanted to go ahead and finish this because I'm going to be making book page wreaths for the craft business I'm trying to start. So I've done that this morning. I did it out here because I was doing it in the kitchen and it was taking hours and hours and hours for them to dry. I was just laying out old sheets on the countertops and putting them on there, but I figured if I put them out here on the pool deck and did it like that, they would dry very quickly, which that's what has happened. So I'm going to continue that after I'm finished with the upstairs. The upstairs is not going to take very long, but there was green algae on these windows and we wanted to clean that. So we did that this morning. That's done. Now Dave, I'm going to have to adjust the lighting again. He is actually going around and touching up paint on the house because the house is stuccoed. And there are some spots that he is touching up because we do have a few rust spots on the house. So he's touching all that up. That is it for downstairs. Now, upstairs, I have vacuumed the stairs. So yeah, the stairs going up to the upstairs. You always got to do that. So I've done that. And I have dusted the movie room. The movie room is all done. Cleaned the blinds, dusted in there, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted because I'm listening to music, so hopefully my voice drowns it out. But in here, I cleaned the blinds, dusted, and I did put some of our pillows that were on this couch in our little trunk here because it was just too many pillows. But yeah, this room is ready. I also dusted in this little loft area where I do my t-shirts and things like that. I did have projects all laid out here, so I've put all that away and I'm almost done with this bathroom. I've cleaned the floors, I cleaned the tub. So the tub is all nice and shiny. I'm getting ready to do the toilet. And this sink. This sink is really hard to clean. I don't know if you can see the grime. Like we have hard water, and the hard water just sits in here. You can kind of see the hard water build up. So I'm going to use my paste, and I just cleaned this mirror. There's nothing glamorous about cleaning toilets, but it has to be done. I am going to attempt to organize this craft room. I realized that I did not end out this video yesterday, so I'm going to give you an ending today, and I'm going to show you all the house in its glory quickly. We're going to do this quickly so that we can end the video, because you're going to see the house in detail soon. Hint, hint. Front entryway, floor is all nice, clean, and shiny. Dining room, living room, Dave's man cave. Let me turn the light on. All nice, dusted, vacuumed, ready. Laundry room. I have some pajamas drying in there. Moana bathroom. Alice in Wonderland bedroom. The bar area. Now we are going to be asking about our wine fridge. I know that appliances normally do come with the house when you sell it, but does that include wine fridges? I mean, not everybody drinks wine, so I would love to be able to take it with me if we could. Kitchen in all of its beauty. Bedroom. Oh, I have some dirty pajamas that I need to put in the dirty clothes. Oops, this is real life. Master bathroom. Beautiful. We did clean the pool deck. There is sheets out here because I am dyeing book pages. I think I've already told you that in this video, but they're still out there. It's very windy today. I don't know how much book pages I'm going to be dyeing today. We're going up the stairs. Up the stairs. We got the Beauty and the Beast bedroom. The Peter Pan bathroom. I had to think about it there for a second. Loft. I know it's dark. Movie room. And craft room. Alright, that is it. Home is ready. I don't know how ready we are, but the house is ready. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.